looking now as Paris Saint-Germain get the game underway. Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Lucas. Oh, he's thrown it straight to an opponent. Back in possession. This is his situation, isn't it? Looking for a goal. Lewandowski. Now they can go forward, having won the ball. Paris Saint-Germain were even able to attract David Beckham. It will go down now in history as his last club. After a wonderful career, and he was there long enough to collect a league winners medal in France.
I think he did the job that he was brought for.
Great opportunity. Good strong tackle.
Pistori.
We were talking about them without mentioning David Beckham, his last club before a retirement at the end of a truly remarkable career. And he was there long enough to get a Champions Winners' Medal in another country.
Yeah, that's been the story of his career, really, hasn't it? And signing attracted a lot of criticism, but I think it did the job that it was intended to do. It brought attention on the football club.
We might get an update on that injury now from our man Jeff Shreves. Jeff.
Looks like a twisted knee from down here. You can just see him trying it out. At the moment, he's carrying on.
Well, thanks for that news, Jeff. He's in the clear. Alex going in powerfully. Well, that's the sort of defending that can win you a match. It was a brilliant challenge in difficult circumstances. Well, this is Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Good position. They've worked this attack very well. It's quite a dangerous position now. Immense abilities, particularly in terms of shooting, was quite prepared to hit it from there. Good work from the keeper.
Yeah, he wouldn't be entirely happy that the player got that kind of room from that distance, but he was equal to it.
Got to bend his run, I think, because that one was an easy decision for the assistant on the far side.
Matuidi. Kako offside, jo, sudija. Ti vidiš dobro, jer trebam da ti kupim sudija način. Da si ti čara sudija? Kakav je to bio offside? To nije bio uopšte offside. Dobro, ajde. Sudiji trebam da kupim coroskope.
Well, they've given the ball to him straight away, and they'll be giving it to him for the rest of the game, I'm sure, if they can.
Ajde bre, pogodi go. Moram da ga pogodim, ajde. Aj, bravo.
Good forward play from them.
Ajde. Bravo. Za start. Žešće, ali...
And this is a goal!
Aj, neki blažilo.
Saw where the goalkeeper was and just placed it into that bottom corner.
Yeah, he knew exactly what he wanted to do there, Martin, and he did it so well.
Well,
I think he's got ice running through his veins, this boy, because his clinical nature there to the bottom corner knew exactly what he wanted to do.
Tweedy. Cavani. Hummels. Trying to get possession back.
Moramo da ga polomimo. Moramo da se zezam s njima, oni će mi da još jedan gol.
What a chance here. It's a defender on top, got to be.
Pa i senti.
He's had a swing at it.
Dijanac pa na moj...
Hasn't he? And it's paid off, it's flown into the net.
You don't take a chance sometimes. You don't score, and he did take a chance.
And it's 2-0 here. Half-time now, and 2-0 is the score at the break.
So we reach half-time, 2-0 the score, with Borussia Dortmund leading. Let's take a look at the highlights from that first half.
Ajde bre da pobedimo tu Borusiju. Ajde, Ibrahimoviću, zavučemo 3 komada bez ikakvih problema i ćao. Da Borusije to...
And he's got the ball well to set his team on the front foot by intercepting. Excellent passing here. It's a chance!
Tu idi do Pistol do Maxwella. Maxwell! Da ideš u igrača, stari crni Maxwell.
Some players limbering up for the away team. Substitution in the offing.
Dobro,
we are going to see a substitution now.
Ibrahimović, tu je prišao.
There's the ball in. Maybe a chance on the cross for Cavani. Gundogan. Been a foul. The referee says to Borussia Dortmund, you can stop the ball, play on. He's cut it out. He's cut out the danger. No mistake about that. Lucas.
Idemo, Lucas. Lucas ga pregazio.
Pace off the mark, isn't it? First couple of yards.
It's so important that in the modern day game.
Ja si ne boj Lucasa, trebaš nešto doći. Baciš ti to da šidi bela.
A decision made by the referee Sergej Kupim. Just a raised eyebrow from the player. He did raise his foot, so he's going to get a yellow card.
Yeah, and just having a word with the ref, trying to appeal his innocence.
Čekaj, ja ti sam kao, šta je on sad iskrivio?
Booking
Možda on promašio ovaj
he saw that offence, even though he didn't want to stop the play.
2-1, Sirić baca loptu.
That's the way to do it.
Yeah, he's one of my favourite refs. I think he's one of the more experienced ones, and he really gives the game a chance.
That's a free kick awarded here. And the opposition get back on the ball. That's a great ball. Challenged quickly by the opposition. Came in with a challenge. That's a wonderful pass. Here's the opportunity.
Malo da pogledajte loptu, što kažete? Bravo, Lucas.
Out for a throw. Over the touchline. Manager thinking for the away side, time for a change. They've linked up well.
Tu ne možete da ga uklizite, da mu polomite, da mu prebrojite sa 4 rebra i ćao.
Got the ball away from the opposition, got to keep it now. Cavani.
I Lucas. Da li on dovoljno brzo da stopera, ne, on je otišao u stoper.
This is going to be a change here for the team that is leading. And it's clearly a tactical one to try and cement that winning position. Good support play from his teammates.
Ajde, moram da dam gol. Ne, on će meni da da gol. Bravo si Riđu, niko to nije vidio. Amo, ti si poštepa tu i...
He's been woeful today so far.
Ibrahimović. Ibra kadabra. Sudija, ovo je bio penal. Pa šta više ti radi sudija?
Lashikovski.
Ovu epizodu ima da nazovem sudiji treba da kupim coroskope. Gledaj što je uradio. Ja ne verujem, znači...
Lashikovski.
Moram da dam njemu.
Lewandowski. He's away easily past his man. Opportunity here. Here's the chance. Look to take it first time.
Dobro da nisu me pobili 3-0. Ajde sada
quite happened for him.
He knew he didn't have much time and he had to take it first off, but it took a good technique and he fell short there.
Gundogan. Brilliant opening.
A šta rade?
He might have tried to get it onto his other foot, but there wasn't time to do that, so he just had a swing at it. Not a very good swing.
No, well, you can see he's not confident on that side, and it is a weekness in his game.
The interceptor has got the ball
sad
here.
moram da gledam. Ako ga sad ne da, onda ništa. Ajde ga polomim. Ali na mnogo već je kraj. I to je to bilo, ljudi, za ovaj epizod. Lajkajte, želite, subscribe-ajte, ostavit će viđenja.